This is the N'Viro Solve, okay? Like I said, it's for cleaning the belly of the plane, very hard, greasy places. This over here is like burnt carbon, burnt tar. And you spray this on, and you let it work, okay? Now, you can see where it's beginning to break up right there, okay?
You guys can come up there if you need to.
So you let it do its job.
Wow, and then you can just kind of wipe it away.
I come back behind it with the Extreme Clean,
Okay.
okay? And the reason why I do is that if I leave it sit there, it'll dry,
Oh, okay.
okay? This will emulsify the material. I'm trying to,
Yeah, I
Okay.
see it work real good. Yeah.
okay, you see how it's just coming off? But, let that there, and I'll take this and I'll see if I can wipe it off. Which I can, most of it. And if you get some areas that you have to do, you just simply reapply.
Wow.